2017 Ford Mustang V6. That's what it sounds like stock. Put it in park and give it gas. Off the park and give it gas. Go ahead. Okay. 2017 Ford Mustang V6. Stock got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory resonator. Then it continues with the true duals, and we did a muffler delete there and there. And we put on some black 4-inch tips right there and right there. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. So we got this 2016 Mustang back in. We did it about 2 weeks ago. We did a rear muffler delete and put 4-inch tips. And it wasn't loud enough. So he came back. And guess what we did? True dualed it. Why not? So there was a resonator there. That's it right there. Right. You see my finger? Right there. And we put pipes right there. Instead of the resonator. Right there. Like the way you do it right there. Right there. So now it's true dual. There's stock converters there and there. Then it's true dual all the way to the back. To some 4-inch tips there and there by 18s, rolled edge. Because it looks sexy, and we give them a little bit of style. Out the sides more, then straight out the back. Because, you know, why not? Right, Tim? Yeah. See? That's how you do a resonator delete on these. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the old resonator. Sound doesn't. I can't see. 109. Easy. Go ahead and back it up. Back it up.
Sounds even better.
Yeah. Hell yeah. If you do want to tame it, bring it back. We'll put an X pipe. Okay. But I think you'll enjoy it like that. That's loud.
This shit right
Hell yeah. And it's a 6-speed, right?
Yeah, 6-speed.
Ooh, baby. Standard. That's why you see the exhaust shake. Shaking, baby. Shaking, baby. Hell yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Mustang 2017. He might bring it back and take the Resonator out next. We'll see. Mustang V6. Loud as loud can get. There you go, rev it. Oh my God. Hell yeah. Come get you some. Don't disappoint! Hell yeah, beast mode! It's so loud. You guys can still hear it. That's awesome.